Picture this. You walk into a home that feels like pure serenity. Every surface gleams, yet there's no frantic energy of someone who just spent hours cleaning. The space breathes harmony, and somehow you instantly feel more peaceful. This isn't magic, it's mastery. What if I revealed that there exists a community of women who have elevated household management to an art form so refined it seems almost supernatural? Women who maintain immaculate, perfectly organized, and peaceful homes without burning themselves out or sacrificing their sanity in the process. I'm speaking about Japanese women and their extraordinary daily practices that you can adopt starting today to completely revolutionize how you approach your living space. Before we dive deeper, hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell because what you're about to learn will change everything about how you see your home. And drop a comment letting me know where you're tuning in from. I love connecting with viewers from around the world. Have you ever wondered why certain individuals appear to possess an innate talent for maintaining perfect order in their surroundings? Here's the truth. It's not an inborn gift. It's a systematic approach that can be learned and mastered. Japanese women have cultivated a distinctive philosophy around organization and cleanliness that spans generations, extending far beyond our conventional understanding of housekeeping. They don't merely tidy up their spaces. They architect environments that feed the spirit and cultivate tranquility for every family member who enters. Today, I'm unveiling 5 transformative practices these women integrate into their daily lives. These aren't complicated systems that require special tools or endless hours. They're elegant, simple habits that, when properly executed, can completely metamorphose your domestic environment. The best part? You won't need to empty your wallet or dedicate your entire day to implementing them. If you persist with your current methods, your home will remain a source of anxiety instead of becoming the sanctuary you deserve. However, if you embrace the wisdom I'm sharing today, within mere weeks, you'll witness a remarkable transformation, not just in your organization systems, but in your overall life satisfaction. Prepare yourself to uncover principles that will fundamentally alter how you approach home management forever.
Strategy 1. The lightning-fast 2-minute protocol. The foundational practice you must integrate into your routine immediately is what I call the lightning-fast 2-minute protocol. This elegant concept addresses one of our most persistent household challenges, the dangerous accumulation of minor tasks that eventually become overwhelming mountains of work. How frequently do you abandon a coffee mug in the sink, telling yourself you'll handle it later? Or drape a jacket over a chair, promising to hang it up eventually? These seemingly innocent delays compound rapidly, creating the domestic chaos that frustrates us daily. Japanese women have uncovered the secret. The solution isn't marathons of cleaning sessions, but rather immediate, decisive action. The principle is beautifully straightforward. If any task requires 2 minutes or less to complete, execute it instantly. No negotiations, no postponements. Used a drinking glass? Rinse and return it to its home immediately. Removed an article of clothing? Place it in the hamper or closet without delay. Received correspondence? Process and file it on the spot. Envision this scenario. You return from your workday, place your handbag on the sofa, and head directly upstairs to change clothes. Following the 2-minute protocol, you would store your handbag properly before ascending the stairs. This might appear trivial, but this single action prevents you from needing to reorganize your entire living area later that evening. The advantages are profound. First, you eliminate disorder before it can establish itself. Second, your mind achieves greater peace because you're not carrying that invisible mental checklist of pending tasks. Third, you cultivate immediate personal responsibility that influences every aspect of your daily life. This practice might seem minor, but it serves as the cornerstone of everything else. Once you master the 2-minute protocol, your living space naturally maintains better organization, and you'll discover significantly more free time for activities you genuinely enjoy. You'll find yourself perpetually ahead of potential mess rather than constantly battling existing clutter. Strategy 2. The Daily Defensive Cleaning System. The second revolutionary practice involves daily defensive cleaning. While most of us wait for dirt and disorder to accumulate before launching major cleaning operations, Japanese women employ the opposite approach. They prevent mess before it can take root. This concept completely reframes our relationship with household maintenance. Rather than viewing cleaning as a weekly burden we must endure, it becomes an organic component of our daily rhythm. Think of it like nurturing a garden. It's infinitely easier to water plants consistently than to attempt reviving a neglected, withered landscape. Defensive cleaning unfolds during small pockets of time throughout your day. While your morning coffee brews, wipe down kitchen surfaces. During your dental hygiene routine, clean the bathroom mirror and sink. While relaxing with evening television, fold laundry or organize magazines. These actions become automatic responses that don't steal time from your planned activities. Consider this practical application. Each morning before departing your home, invest exactly 5 minutes in defensive cleaning. Arrange your bedding. Return any displaced personal items to their designated spots. Polish bathroom surfaces and perform a quick visual sweep of each room. When you return that evening, you'll be welcomed by a fresh, inviting environment. The crucial element is unwavering consistency. Performing small maintenance tasks daily proves infinitely more effective than exhausting yourself with intensive weekend cleaning marathons. Your living space never reaches a state of genuine disorder, so you never face the overwhelming task of major restoration. This represents a fundamental mindset transformation that completely revolutionizes your domestic experience. Additionally, defensive cleaning dramatically reduces psychological stress. You'll never again feel overwhelmed by household chaos because it simply cannot establish itself. Your home evolves into a true sanctuary where you can genuinely decompress after demanding days.
Strategy 3. The Sacred Address System. The third practice that will transform your organizational capabilities involves assigning a sacred address to every single item in your living space. While this sounds obvious, most of us fail to implement this principle with the necessary consistency and precision. Japanese women treat this concept with utmost seriousness, resulting in homes where everything flows with natural grace and efficiency. The real problem with household disorganization typically isn't insufficient time for tidying. It's the lack of predetermined destinations for our belongings. How often have you held an object while experiencing genuine uncertainty about its proper storage location? This moment of indecision leads to items accumulating in temporary spots that somehow become permanent fixtures. The resolution is elegantly simple, though it demands unwavering discipline. Every single object within your home must possess a fixed, non-negotiable address. Your keys invariably belong on the designated hook near the entrance. Your reading glasses always rest on the specific table in the living area. Your medications consistently occupy the same bathroom drawer. There are absolutely no exceptions to this fundamental rule. Visualize this scenario. You arrive home and automatically place your keys on their designated hook in the foyer, store your bag in the hallway closet, and set your glasses on their assigned living room table. The following morning, you experience zero time wasted searching for anything because everything occupies its predetermined location. This mental organization conserves energy and eliminates daily frustration. To implement this transformative habit, begin by selecting one room and defining the precise location for each item it contains. Be absolutely specific, not somewhere in the kitchen, but rather the second drawer from the left next to the measuring spoons. Practice religiously until returning everything to its sacred address becomes completely automatic. The benefits extend far beyond mere organization. You develop unshakable discipline, save precious time, reduce stress significantly, and create a more harmonious living environment. Your entire family benefits because everyone knows exactly where to locate needed items. It's a modest investment that yields enormous returns on your quality of life.
Strategy 4. The gratitude ritual for possessions. The fourth practice might seem unconventional, but it possesses remarkable power. Cultivating genuine appreciation for your belongings. Japanese women maintain a uniquely respectful relationship with their possessions, treating each item with reverence and mindful care. This attitude completely transforms how we maintain our living spaces. We exist within a disposable culture where objects are viewed as mere tools without emotional significance. However, when you develop authentic gratitude for your possessions, you naturally begin caring for them with greater attention and respect. You clean more thoughtfully, organize more deliberately, and maintain everything in superior condition. This practice begins with a fundamental shift in perspective. Instead of perceiving cleaning as tedious drudgery, you start viewing it as an expression of care and appreciation. When you polish a piece of furniture, you're demonstrating gratitude for how it has served your family's needs. When you organize a storage space, you're honoring the items that simplify your daily life. Let's apply this practically. Every time you clean or organize something, pause momentarily to consider the genuine value that object contributes to your life. Your dining table facilitates precious family gatherings and important conversations. Your closet protects your clothing and streamlines your daily routine. Your refrigerator preserves food freshness and supports your family's nutrition. This appreciation translates into tangible actions. You naturally begin treating your belongings with enhanced care, extending their lifespan and maintaining their optimal condition. You also develop a deeper sense of stewardship that encompasses your entire household environment. Furthermore, gratitude for possessions promotes more conscious consumption habits. When you truly appreciate what you already own, you feel less compulsion to purchase unnecessary items. This approach saves money while reducing household clutter and complexity. The outcome is a living space where every object serves a meaningful purpose and holds genuine value. You create a more harmonious environment where everything receives respectful treatment. This positive energy permeates throughout your family and transforms your house into an authentic home. Strategy 5. Mindful cleaning as moving meditation. The fifth and final practice involves transforming cleaning activities into opportunities for meditation and inner connection. Japanese women have discovered that household responsibilities can become pathways to mental peace and clarity rather than simply mundane obligations. The crucial difference lies in the mindset you bring to these activities. Instead of cleaning mechanically while your thoughts race toward countless other concerns, you focus entirely on the present moment. You notice the texture of surfaces, pay attention to your hand movements, and breathe consciously throughout the entire process. This approach completely revolutionizes the cleaning experience. What was once tedious work becomes a period of tranquility and personal reflection. You use this time to reconnect with yourself, organize your thoughts, and discover moments of calm within life's constant activity. Here's how to implement this practically. When washing dishes, Rather than dwelling on workplace stress, focus on the sensation of warm water on your hands, the circular motion of the cleaning cloth, and the satisfaction of seeing clean dishes emerge. Breathe deeply and allow your mind to settle into peaceful stillness. The same principle applies to any household task. When sweeping floors, notice the sound of the broom bristles, the rhythmic movement of your arms, and the gratification of seeing the space transform. When folding laundry, feel the texture of different fabrics, appreciate their colors and patterns, and convert the process into a calming ritual. The benefits are remarkable. You significantly reduce stress and anxiety while discovering moments of peace within even the busiest schedules. Your mind achieves greater calm, your thoughts become more organized, and you develop a sense of well-being that influences all areas of your life. Additionally, when you clean mindfully, the results are dramatically superior. You notice details that would otherwise escape attention, care for objects more thoroughly, and create a more harmonious environment. Cleaning stops being a burden and becomes a self-care practice.
Your transformation begins now. We've completed this journey through the wisdom of Japanese women's household practices, and I hope you've realized that home care can transcend mere obligation. It can become a method for creating harmony, discovering peace, and dramatically improving your life quality. The 5 strategies I've shared today are simple yet powerful. The lightning-fast 2-minute protocol eliminates task accumulation. The daily defense cleaning system maintains continuous tidiness. The sacred address system brings natural organization. The gratitude ritual transforms your relationship with possessions, and mindful cleaning brings tranquility to your routine. The most crucial step is beginning today. Select one of these practices and commit to it for 1 week. You'll be amazed by the transformation. Remember, small, consistent changes create dramatic improvements over time. Your home can become much more than a place to sleep and eat. It can become a sanctuary of peace, a space that nurtures your soul and strengthens your family bonds. This transformation is completely within your reach. You simply need to apply these elegant practices with consistency and care. If you found value in today's content, smash that like button and share this video with someone who could benefit from these life-changing strategies. Your support helps me create more content like this for our amazing community. Tell me in the comments, which of these practices will you implement first? Your transformation journey starts right now.